Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. This just arrived. This is a Lionel 246. And found this on eBay for $8.50. Now, I know nothing about it, other than the fact that the pilot is missing off the front. So, let's open this box and see what kind of condition this is actually in. As I say, when you're buying stuff from photographs, you never know what you're actually going to get. So $8.50. No styrofoam peanuts, that's good. So get this box out of the way. And let's see what we have here. Now, as I said, I only buy Lionel when I can get it cheap. And $8.50 is pretty cheap, you have to admit. So let's see what this actually looks like. It's wrapped well, no doubt about that. Wow. All right. Wow, it's wrapped really well. All right, let's see where to start. Put it there. Put it there. We'll just cut it straight down the middle. All right, Lionel 246. As you see, it has a break in the shell right there. It is complete. It has the rear truck. It has the front truck. It turns easily, and the pilot is missing. Now, what I was going to do with this is convert this into a switcher by adding a front coupler. So, let me grab the camera off the tripod so you can see this thing. Not in perfect condition, but $8.50, really difficult to beat that. Let me get the tripod out of the way. Give me a second here. All right, so here's the 246. Now you see it's got a break in the shell right there. But it is complete. It appears to be in fairly decent condition. Not perfect, obviously, but also $8.50. Now it looks like it's been oiled. I don't know if you can see this, but there's definitely oil on it. So, before we do anything else, let's just put it on the rail and see if it will run. I have no idea. I know nothing about this, other than the fact that it was reasonably complete and it was cheap. So, power is on. It's on the outside rail. Let's give it some power and see what it does. Runs forward. And it runs backwards. Doesn't run backwards very well. Definitely runs forward fairly well. Now that's interesting. I would imagine that is the E unit. Interesting. But we know it runs forward. So let's put this on a consist and see if it will actually run. All right, obviously I haven't done anything to this yet. So we'll pull, here's a 244. We'll pull that off. And we'll put this on a Lionel consist and see if it will pull. So $8.50, Lionel 246 in fair condition at best. All right, let's see how this goes. Whoops, wrong one. All right, it is just slipping like crazy. No doubt. So it is not going to pull this consist, I don't think. Let's get it moving and see what it does. Wow, those wheels are really, really slipping. and it stalled. All right, well, as I said, the only way to test these is to put them on the rail and find out what they will do. So, we know it runs, so that's good to know. So if nothing else, I can use this motor. The light appears to be out. It does not want to run in reverse very well at all. It runs forward, no problem. So it could just be a dirty switch. That's better. So, far from perfect, but it is running. $8.50 for a Lionel 246, and like I said, in fair condition at best. Broken there, and the pilot is missing. So like I said, I was going to convert this into a switcher and put a front coupler on it. So we'll see how that goes. In the meantime, it just got here, so I'll pull it apart, clean it up, and looking at this motor, I might be able to drop this in a different shell. The only way to tell, of course, is to take a look, pull the motor out, get it lubed and tuned, cleaned up, and see what's going on with it. Now the light is out, so I don't know if the bulb is missing. Really hard to see up in there. Anyway, just want to do a quick unboxing video. 246 Lionel on eBay for $8.50. And as you can see, both the markers are broken off. And overall, fair condition. If it wasn't for that break there, this actually wouldn't be too bad. But, as I said, the only time I buy a Lionel is when I can get them cheap. So if I can use it for parts, that's great. It has a running motor, there's no doubt about that. It's just a matter now of how well it will run. And like I said, I'll pull the motor out and get it cleaned up. Well, at least it's running in reverse now. It runs forward really well. So I've got to get the wheels cleaned up and take it from there. So I'll pull this apart. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. If it wasn't for that break, this actually would be in fairly decent condition. Minus the pilot, of course. But as I said, I bought this specifically that if I could get it running, I would add a front coupler to it and use it as a switcher. So we will see. I can fix this. It's just a matter of if I'm going to put that much effort into it or just pull the motor out and put it in a different shell. We will see. Anyway, I just wanted to do an unboxing video. So Lionel 246, eBay, $8.50, and it is running. Runs forward actually quite well. So we shall see how this goes. Anyway, I'll do a follow-up on it. Just wanted to do an unboxing video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.